Hi, my name's Sébastien. I'm a refrigeration mechanic here in Ottawa. Recently we got XOLAR to come in, do some solar panels. With the current home renos we're doing right now, the solar panels were definitely one of the big ones, and we're trying to get these done before while my baby's coming. Well, our biggest motivation was, to be honest with you, the cost. Electricity is not dropping in price. The more people go towards EV, the higher it's going to increase. So this is the biggest pig on power in the house, but I love this thing, and I'm not getting rid of it anytime soon. If in the long run we can essentially make a buck on it, why wouldn't we? With the rebate and the greener home loan, it was honestly the perfect time. Solar came up a lot in really high ratings, so it seemed to be the most reasonable company to go with. They were adamant about some optional features that for them was the standard, and just the fact that going above and beyond was their standard really put them ahead of everyone else. Once the materials started showing up, within a couple weeks it was already on the roof. Since we've installed the solar panels, my usage has dropped by about half, and at this point we're actually supplying the grid to the point where my bill has gone down to a third of its original price. And at this point, it's only March and April that I'm seeing, so I can just imagine what summer's gonna bring. Obviously, there's still some repayment to be done, but as it stands, my payments back towards my loan are only a couple dollars more than what I'm currently saving. So the way I see it at this point is within 10 years, it's paid off, and then anything past that point is money in my pocket. I'm very satisfied. I was essentially set up for a 10 kilowatt hour system, and I'm getting 10 kilowatt hour on a nice sunny day. So as it stands, most sunny days I'm putting out 70 kilowatts for the house. So I can't really complain at all. To be honest with you, the process wasn't bad. I haven't needed any real support. As things were lining up, like when the app became available, within 1 or 2 days I got contacted by Solar. They sent me all my information, they sent me my links. So on the service side, it's been very smooth. So there's a difference between being able to do something and being able to do it well. And the guys who installed it on the roof knew what they were doing. Honestly, everything went pretty smoothly, so I was quite happy with the whole process in general.